Gerardo from West Chase has noisy windows.
And he needs help with this one here, Tom. Check this thing out.
Okay,
I know it doesn't. It looks
it's a room with a window.
I know it's you know,
quite
Gerardo.
impressive.
Just for the record, you know, it's hard to communicate sound with a picture, but I give you A for effort. He says, "I'm looking for something that will help with sound." He says, but still allow access to the window shades and all that. Something that can maybe be easily removed or opened or whatever. Like he's thinking, is there some sort of sound curtain or something he can put up there? I'm thinking, looking for a cheap option. He says, and he wonders if it's just replacing those windows is what he's going to have to do. What's your thoughts?
Well, I don't know what kind of sound we're talking about. I don't know if it's a highway, a dog, a lawnmower, your leaf blower on the weekend when your neighbor's out at 7 in the morning.
I think it looks out onto like a common area. So I think it's, you know, what I'm guessing is it's one of these townhouses where they face each other and he's getting all that noise in between or something. Yeah.
But a window replacement's going to be the only option, or just filling it up with concrete blocks or something. You know, I mean, a window is going to have noise. The newer windows today, and if you go to see Gulf Coast Windows and you say, hey, I have a window with a noise problem as opposed to an energy problem or opposed to direct sunlight problem, right?
Okay.
Then they're going to have the window that's going to attack the problem you have. So it's really important you communicate that to them or to whoever you talk to. But changing the window will help. Blinds, shades, shutters, not so much.
Yeah, there you go. You got questions? Help us out. Send them to us. We'll help you out. Send them to HomeShowRadio.com. You check our videos over here and subscribe to our channel too. Thanks.